Welcome back my YouTube channel. Kum no ngin tip lada ka internet ya pi tongin ya pe ka long kum no lada pi ngau chung mun toy na kane ka video wanam glad ban share lam shaki parlok lane hayeng hasam jang pi wanam glad ro ban like share and subscribe ya kane ka channel alengin ya pe ya kane ka jing hikai. When a girl look at me, kasi haba kakantay kapay siya nga. How will I know if she is interested in me? Kasi kumno ngantip lada kasngaw tanat niya nga. Let's have a look. Kasi tongin yapit. She will smile every time she look at you. Kasi kan sarke yapi man kapor haba kapit shapi. Or you say something to her. Kasi lane pi ong yanga. A girl eyes constantly search for that one guy. Kasi kikmat jongka kipet bet ban wat yauta ubri. But as soon as he catches her looking at him, she looks away. Henry haba uyoi ya kabaka pech o kapech away. Or pretends she was look at some things. Kasi lane kale menle ba kapet ya kie. This is the most obvious sign that she like you. Kasi kane kadai kadak kashin baka internet yapi. She listen to you every words that you said. Kasi kasngap yapi man la kikintin bapi ok. She will know what you like and what you don't. Kasi katip ka ay pi internet but ka ay pim internet. Even if you don't remember telling her. Kasi what lada pim kan mau bapi yato yaka. You will be ignored, but she will still try to get close to you. Kasi hinsa kentai henray kapersyang ban kam jan shapi. She will get jealous when you are talking to others girls. Kasi kan sa bishni yapi haba pi yakran bat kiway kikantay. She asks for your opinion and actually she already know. Kasi kakali ya kajing sngaw jongpi but ha kajing shisha kalatip lupa. She tries and takes interest in what you like. Kasi kapersyang ban sngaw tanat ya ka ay kaba pi tanat. She turns to look at you. Kasi kapay din but kapit shapi. If you walk by and look at her and she look back. Kasi lada piyay but pipet shaka but kapet shapi. That's the sign they might be interested in you. Kasi kata kadai kadak balik se kasngaw tanat yapi. Maybe she know that you like her. Kasi yo lese katip ba pi tanat yaka. She will never say no. Kasi come to ong em. She will find ways talk to you. Kasi kawat kilat kilenti bankaran yapi. She will tell you more about herself. Kasi kan saya tho yapi shibon shapang jongka. She makes time for you. Kasi kapan light pot daka benta jongpi. She asks for your help on little things. Kasi kapan ya kajeng yarab jongpi what iba kendia dru. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.